Hello everyone. Today's topic is Northern Hemisphere. The length of day and night in Northern Hemisphere. How to change day or night in Northern Hemisphere and which situations we know about that the larger day fall in Northern Hemisphere and which day we know about that the shorter day fall in the Northern Hemisphere. I am talking only about the Northern Hemisphere. Here first every person's here is a situated the sun and our earth is rotated along the sun in elliptical axis. Rotation is elliptical and revolutions is also happening same time. Here you see about that. Here this point is December solstice. Here is the December solstice, and you all know about in southern hemisphere. I am talking about southern hemisphere. A small day fall in that day, 22nd December. Okay, 22nd December, the shortest day fall in northern hemisphere. Okay, and after that the when the rotation and revolutions of the earth is gradually increases increases not gradually follow this elliptical path and reach the point March equinox. Okay, so you see about that. Here is the smaller day fall, and gradually earth is rotated and revolve along this axis and reach the point March equinox. Okay, that day and night is equal. That day and night is equal. Day night equal means 12-hour day and 12-hour night in fall on 20 or 21st March. It may be happen leap year depending upon the leap year. If any year the leap year fall in that calendar year 21st March and leap year not fall 20th March. Same situations when after that the earth rotate and revolve similarly continuously in this elliptical axis and reach the point 21st June. Reach the point 21st June. That day the larger day fall in northern hemisphere 21st June. 21st June. This means the daytime length is larger than nighttime length. Again, the earth is rotate and revolve along the axis and reach the point September equinox. This point is known as equinox. Here is known as March equinox and September equinox. Here the day fall in 22nd September or 23rd September. Here again the length of the day and night is same. After that the again gradually earth rotate and revolve along the axis and reach the point December solstice. Again here the small day and a small day and larger night is fall, and this cycle is completely rotate in 1 year. This cycle is completely rotated in 1 year. This is known as the rotations. Revolutions plus rotations is simultaneously happened in the earth. Okay, earth is rotate along on axis and revolve along the elliptical path. Rotate in axis and revolve along the or or elliptical path. The earth is also why the length of the day and night is bigger and smaller. Why the length of the day is bigger and smaller? Here bigger and here smaller. I am talking about northern hemisphere, because that the earth is tilted 23rd degree on axis. If you see here the figure, you know about, he clearly vision about that, visualize the figure. Here is the northern hemisphere, here is the southern hemisphere, and the sun is here. The ray of sun is completely visible only this part in northern hemisphere, or completely invisible in this part. That means the length of the night is more comparison to length of the day. Similarly, you go towards the here and see about that the completely equal part of the visualizations of earth is complete. Here is the 50% and complete here is the 50%. That means these situations, the length of time and the length of night is completely equal. Here you know about that the length of northern hemisphere is situated in this point. Here the northern hemisphere is situated in this point. Here you know about that the northern hemisphere side portion is more and more situated in sun side and less situated in dark side. The reason behind that, here the larger they fall. Here again the northern sphere and southern hemisphere equal amount of the sharing share with the sun rays. That's the reason here the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere have same day and night. Today I am talking only about the northern hemisphere. Similarly, if you go towards the southern hemisphere, just you reverse the day and only reverse you December solstice time and June solstice time, because March equinox and September equinox is same and December solstice time is larger and June solstice time is smaller in southern hemisphere. Okay, I hope you are all clear about this concept, and this is the main funda about know about that. When the December solstice 22nd March, okay, and earth is revolve and reach toward the March equinox, the day gradually increase at that time, and this time winter fall in northern hemisphere. That is the daytime equal to the night time, or here the night time is greater than daytime. And again we reach March equinox and go toward the 21st June solstice, day increases, and here day is greater than night. Again you go 21st solstice and gradually reach the point September equinox. Here the day is gradually decreases and again day equal to night. Similarly, you go toward the September equinox to 22nd December solstice, night is greater than day. And this phenomena is happened in northern hemisphere every year, because the revolutions of the earth revolve around the sun in complete 365, yeah, 366 days in the 1 year. Okay, you go toward the December to March, the winter fall in northern hemisphere. Again March to June, spring fall in hemisphere southern hemisphere. Again 21st June to September, summer fall in southern hemisphere, and September to December, autumn fall in hemisphere. So that's the reason four type of four type of season in happened in hemisphere southern hemisphere also and northern hemisphere also. The time is winter, spring, summer, autumn. Okay, hope you all clear the funda about the time and length is how the fall and how the situated and how the length is shorter and length is larger in southern hemisphere due to the today's concept. If you like my video and if you have any type of problem, any type of dots, you must know in my comment, you must write in comment sections. I will try to explain every person's. If you like this video, please subscribe my channels and share my channels. Hope you all today's you of all have concept clear in the northern hemisphere, length of day and night in northern hemisphere. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best, and I hope you all the clear to the topic, today's topic. And thank you once again. Okay.